The 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS starts at $127,000, boasting a 4.4-second 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time. Here are some key features. Superscript 1, Engine, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing 493 horsepower. Transmission, 8-speed automatic gearbox with manual mode. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Top speed, electronically limited to 171 miles per hour, rear luggage compartment volume, 27.3 cubic feet. Fuel type, gasoline. Some notable features of the Cayenne GTS include Superscript 2, Sport Chrono package, enhances driving dynamics and performance. Adaptive air suspension, provides a sporty ride height and improved handling. Porsche Advanced 3D surround sound system, delivers exceptional audio quality. If you're interested in exploring other Cayenne models or comparing features, you can visit Porsche's official website for more information.